Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, on the bench, and one by one going through those cars that came from eBay with that 994. Anyway, this is a one of the Marx plastic cabooses, and it of course has a broken coupler. It's going to show you a really simple way to fix this. So first thing, pull the axle off. And as I mentioned in an earlier video, these axles and wheels will fit tin litho perfectly. You can snap this directly onto a tin litho car. Anyway, so there's the broken coupler, and as you see, it's mounted on a stanchion that's just been mushroomed over by heating it at the top. And you have to be careful. If you try to pull this off of here, you can break this entire stanchion off. So the easy way to remove this is with a pair of nippy cutters. And you just go to the edge of that mushroom where it's been rounded over by heat, and you just nibble it away, just like that, and the old coupler comes off. Now, to replace this is really simple. The easiest way to do it is with a soldering iron. So you just put the new coupler back on. Take a soldering iron, heat this just enough to soften it, and push down on it to mushroom it back out, and you have repaired the coupler. Really simple way to fix these things. You don't want to flex this stuff too much. It flexes fairly well, and it reaches a certain point, and then it just snaps. So I just want to do a quick video on the easiest way that I have found to get these couplers off without damage. Really simple. Really straightforward. You can change them a couple of times. Now, if that is completely broken off, you can take a small drill a hole, and put a small sheet metal screw in there. If the stanchion itself is broken off, forget it. You can use the body of the car. If you actually take these wheels off, it fits a standard steel caboose frame. So a really simple way to get these couplers off without damaging them. And of course, like I said, put the new one back on, heat this with a soldering iron. You can use a screwdriver, heat it on a stove, just get it soft enough to mushroom it back out, and it's repaired. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.